Hey, in this video we're going to be replacing the stock seat cover on a 2020 WR450. A YZ450 is the same one, and we're using a Factory Effex TC4 cover with a bump. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, today we're doing a seat cover replacement on the WR450, the 2020 model. This is the exact same if we're doing it for a YZ450 as well. It uses the same components. I've had some crashes. You guys know I had the shoulder surgery recently. Some of these crashes have actually ripped some of the seat. And so it's been 2 years since we got this, so it's getting time for a new seat cover. I went to Rocky Mountain ATV and MC and actually got a new one here from Factory Effex. It was about $69. Here's a link up in the corner. It looked to be pretty good. It's Yamaha branded. It's going to look really good on here. And hopefully this won't be that difficult. This is my first seat replacement. I've watched a bunch of videos. I got my staple gun ready to go. So let's start with the first phases of getting the seat off. In this particular case, I've already taken out the screws, so the seat is off. And if we look here, you can see I've got some tears right there. We got another one right back here. And so anyway, it's time. It's gotten time for a new seat. So let's go ahead and flip this around, put it down on my shift workbench. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to get all these staples out. And there's quite a number of them, so this is going to take a minute. This is a pretty easy task. You just get your flat head and just kind of get it underneath and loosen it up like so. Let's just run around and do all these at once. All right, holy cow, that was a lot of staples. I got staples everywhere. All right, so you can see the holes we got here in the seat. It's okay. Seat looks to be in pretty good shape. It's only a couple years old. Still a little damp from where we washed it, but it looks pretty good. This is the back, and this is the front. Let's just take a little peek at what we bought. All right, so this is the Factory Effex TC4. Again, this is about 69 bucks on Amazon or on Rocky Mountain ATV. Got two components really in it. Actually, that's all it's got in it. And then we'll throw this to the side. But this is the Yamaha version. It's pretty nice. It's ribbed. It's got grip capabilities built into it for traction control. It's got nice Factory Effex stitching. It's got the nice Yamaha logos on the side. And kind of just dry fit this really quick. Make sure everything's going to fit. So we'll start with the front. Go ahead and get him locked into place like so. Should fit without any issues actually. And then let's stretch this back onto the back. Oh yeah, that's going to fit like a glove. Oh, that's going to be really nice. Actually, okay. So I watched this online a couple times, and the first thing we want to do is we want to get this front piece here locked into place. So let's go ahead and get a couple stitches, a couple of these guys up front here. We look at this, we've got a center mark right here. It's nicely cut out for us. So we got this in place. Let's go ahead and get a couple staples in here. All right, so we got a nice good start here on the front that we can work from, and that's going to fit nice and snug up against the front. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to drop a couple here in the back. we got this done. Holy cow, that was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. I ended up having to go buy more staples. Did get it in here. Actually, just need to trim this off just a little bit through here. But it is in. It's in with no wrinkles. It's nice and tight. Looks really good. I'm pretty happy with it. So let's go ahead and put this on the bike and see what it looks like. All right, let's get this back over here. Go ahead and slide him into a slot there. I'll tighten him up in a minute. Oh, wow, that looks really good. That looks really good and really tight. Nice good seams through here. Nice and tight. Nice and tight, no wrinkles. That looks really good. I like the Yamaha logo. I wasn't sure if it was going to be too low. As soon as I tighten up that fender, it will look great. Whew, I will tell you, that took a lot more effort than I thought it was going to. Holy cow. Oh, maybe I'm just not good at doing seat covers and staplers. Anyway, lots of problems with that. The seat cover was very difficult, actually. Hard to stretch. I thought it'd be a little easier than that. Anyway, hey, whew. Hey, thanks again for watching. Actually ended up doing that over 2 days. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content when it's available. Thanks a lot.